Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can create the procedural swirls wave fabric material in Blender with the help of Node. And here you can see that I add the different combination of the wave texture and mask wave texture to create this fabric material. And here I put in all the essential color and required parameter into the group input node. And by pressing tab, and here you can see the custom node group of this procedural fabric material. And here you can see there are the different colors of the fabric material and swirls color 1 and swirls color 2 and also the other parameter. And here we check these parameters one by one. The first color is the fabric color, and here you can see by changing this you can change the as a whole color of this fabric. And the second color is the swirls color having a hue part, and here you can see the changings. And the third color is the swirls color 2, and you can also change these colors according to your requirement. Nice. And this is the swirls randomness, and if I change this you can see the swirls are randomly changed. And this is the wave scale, and if I zoom in this, and here you can see actually this fabric is made of the waves, and here I increase the wave scale, you can see the changings. And this is the wave bump strength, and this is the overall roughness of this fabric, and here you can see the changings. And this is the sheen width, and here is the sheen tint color. Actually this is the reflection color, and here you can see. And if I increase the sheen weight, then you can see the changes. Beautiful. And if you want to purchase this material along with all of my other material, then you can visit my Patreon page, Gumroad store, and also Blender Market. Links are in descriptions. So let's start. First, I open the Blender and set up the scene, and here you can see that I am in camera view and also in render view, and I convert this plane into the cloth by using the cloth for its properties. And if I enter into the edit mode of this plane, then you can see that this is the highly subdivided object. And this is the shader editor. Here I rename this material procedural swirls wave fabric material, which is I am going to create. And first I turn on the screencast keys because you can see which I press. Beautiful. And now I want to add some wave detail to this fabrics. So for that, here I search for the wave texture and place the wave texture something like here. And by pressing Ctrl T, this will be the texture coordinate and mapping, and here I use the UV coordinate of this object. And here I preview this wave texture by pressing Ctrl Shift. We can preview the wave texture, and here I set some value of this wave texture. Here I increase the scale of this wave texture up to 150, and here I decrease the distortion to 0 and also detail to the 0. And beautiful. And now I duplicate this wave texture by pressing Ctrl Shift D. This will be duplicate this wave texture with the wire plugin. And I want to mix both these wave texture by selecting both and press Ctrl 0. This will be add the mix to these both textures. And this is in X direction, and here I change in Y direction. And also the result of this mix into the normal, and we can preview the normal. And here you can see this is the shading issue because this is the color data and this is the normal data. To convert this, here I search for the bump node and place the bump node something like here, and also the normal into the height. And here you can see the both these wave textures are mixed with each other. Beautiful. And here you can see the result clearly, but the bump strength is too much high, and here I reduce the bump strength up to the half. And here you can see the nice result. Beautiful. And here I also increase some settings in principal BSDF, and here I increase the roughness up to the 0.900, and here I also increase the sheen weight up to the half. Beautiful. I change this tint color later. Now I want to add some swirls to this fabric, and here I put this texture coordinate mapping something like here, and here I search for the mask wave texture. and place the musgrave texture something like here, and here I use the same mapping into the vector. Beautiful. And here I preview this musgrave texture by pressing Ctrl Shift, and here I adjust some value of this musgrave texture, and here I change this type into the rigged multifractal, and here I increase the scale up to 14, place it something like here, and here I decrease the detail to the 0, and here I remain all the other parameters same. Beautiful. And to make these curly lines or swirls more contrasty, here I search for the color ramp and place the color ramp something like here, and here I adjust this value to near to the black pointer to make these curly lines more and more contrasty. Now it's looking better. Beautiful. And here I select both these, and by pressing Ctrl Shift and T, this will be duplicate both these with the wire plugin. Nice. And here I add the mix node by pressing Shift A. Here I search for the mix color and place the mix color something like here. Beautiful. And also into the vector. Nice. And here I duplicate this and place it something like here, and here the second color wrap into the vector of the second mix. Beautiful. And here I place this in between the principal PSTF. Beautiful. And here I put this into the base color, and here I into the surface. Beautiful. Now it's looked better. Now I change the colors of this wave textures, and here I select the first color, and here I change it something like here, and you can see the changes. And here I select this color, and I change this into the blue color, and here you can see the changes. And this is the fabric color, which I make some yellows, and also make it more bright. Beautiful. And here I also change some tint color to the yellowish type, and here you can see I want to make these wheels of these both colors, and here you cannot see these wheels clearly because here I change some value of the second musgrave texture, and here I increase the value. Then you can see these both colors are mixed with each other, and here I increase this value up to the 20. Beautiful. Now it's look better. And here is the final node setup of this procedural swirls wave fabric material. And by pressing F12, as you can see in the rendered view. And here is the final render of the procedural swirls wave fabric material. Thanks for watching.